In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer account login icon in Shopify for 2024. This tutorial is designed specifically for beginners, and I'll guide you through each step in Urdu and Hindi to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's start by navigating to the settings of your Shopify store. This is your first step. You'll find the settings option at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking on it will open a page filled with various settings options that allow you to customize different aspects of your store. Among these options, find and click on the Customer Accounts tab. This section is crucial as it provides the necessary settings to manage how your customers will interact with their accounts on your site. Once you're in the Customer Accounts section, you'll be presented with several options. These options offer different ways for customers to create and access their accounts in your store. For this tutorial, I'll focus on the Legacy option. This option is labeled as Customers Create an Account and Sign in with Email and Password. Selecting this choice provides a straightforward, familiar experience for users, as they can easily create an account and later access it using their email and password. Using this method is beneficial for several reasons. First, it simplifies the customer experience, as many online shoppers are accustomed to creating accounts with an email and password, making it more likely they'll complete the process without hesitation. Second, it allows you to collect email addresses, which is valuable for maintaining customer relationships and sending them information about future promotions or updates to your store. Once you've decided to use the Legacy option, ensure that your settings are saved, as this is an important step that finalizes the choice you've made. With these settings adjusted, your Shopify store is configured to allow customers to create personal accounts using their email and password. That's all it takes to add a customer account login icon in Shopify for 2024. This feature not only enhances your store's professionalism, but also encourages customer loyalty by facilitating a personalized shopping experience. Remember, the easier it is for your customers to interact with your store, the more likely they are to return and even recommend your store to others. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on Shopify and other online store solutions. Good luck with your Shopify store, and I'll see you in the next video.